In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve Windows 11 File Explorer crash and issue. This should be a quick process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Just open up the search menu, type in CMD, and run as administrator. Now, when you get the control command prompt window opened up for you, just go ahead and paste the command prompt, which is available in the description below. Just copy paste it here, and then after that, just hit enter. So this is the command prompt, and just give it a moment to load. As you can see, after this loading process is finished, the operation completed successfully. Go ahead, close out of the command prompt, and open up a new command prompt. Go ahead, run as administrator. As you can see, just give it some time to load. And now just go ahead, type in SFC // scan now. And scan now must be written in one word, then hit enter and give it some time for the verification phase of the system scan to complete. This should only take a couple of minutes, and after the verification is complete, the scan did not detect any integrity violations. Go ahead, close out of this window. All you have to do for changes to check place is to go ahead, right-click on the Start menu, and then just go ahead to the Device Manager. And the Device Manager window will open up for you. Now just go ahead to the Display Adapters, double-click on it, and right-click on the driver. And then just click Update Driver and click on Search or Directly for Drivers, the first option. After that, just click for Updated Drivers or Windows Update, just click on it. So you can update the drivers manually. You can select them and download and install them by yourself. So this was a quick and easy process video. As always, thank you for watching.